Well, beach right now is the fastest NCAA growing sport, so it's honestly been incredible just to see like even colleges expand across the nation and get more into beach volleyball, and just growing as a team has been really incredible.
Well, I joined the team because I really like the environment, like of beach volleyball, being at the beach and then you're with all your friends, and it's like a community. I guess each sport has its own community. I really like the beach volleyball community.
A couple weeks ago we were at practice and he started off the practice by talking about winning and how he just loves to win, and he literally like brought out his gold medal and had us all pass it around.
This is what regular shoes feel like. Crowded and uncomfortable.
Miss Brooke,
Yeah?
you've been upgraded.
Oh, yes.
Follow me.
That's why I wear Skechers Wide Fit. They look sleek, but have extra room throughout for lasting comfort. It's like first class for your feet.
Would you like some slippers, Miss Brooke?
No, I'm perfect, thank you. Upgrade your comfort with Skechers Wide Fit with memory foam. It's the difference between oh and oh yes.